One of the most difficult problems that digital businesses have today is global tax compliance. If you're selling a software streaming service, and oftentimes other types of services as well, and you have a global audience, what that means is you now need to charge local sales tax wherever all of your customers are.
So the governments are basically saying, we don't want to do this at the border anymore. It's up to you, the merchant or the digital platform. The governments are always going to try and find a way to sort of figure out the easiest way to tax the appropriate person. And through this, they're going back to the platforms. So now you have to have a database in real time to price that VAT, to collect the appropriate VAT so that you can pay it to the governments.
All over the world, countries require you to charge local sales tax to that consumer, and you have to pay the respective authorities that local sales tax. And that sucks for businesses selling online. It's a very difficult thing to manage, and it's also extremely expensive.
When you look at the global markets and what merchants need to do to adhere to all the compliance requirements, I mean, I really think it comes down to make sure that you have a local entity, and then understanding the rules and regulations. It takes a lot of expertise and research to be able to keep up with all the changes that might be coming down the pipeline as well. We've gone through the process and we have our local entities and all the markets that we can serve. And we can help merchants understand and figure out how you can make it fast, easy, and secure going forward.
So Reach has included, we call it TaaS, which is tax as a service, and we've included solving that problem within the platform.
Within our merchant of record model is that we will be able to help you with collecting that local sales tax amount, charging the customer in their local currency, remitting and filing the correct sales tax amounts for your products and your services to those local government agencies to make sure that they get their piece and your customers are paying in a way that makes sense to them. And as a business, you don't have any of that operational overhead. It shouldn't be as difficult as it is, and that's one of the beauties of what Reach can bring to the table.